They put in slowly. Don't rush.
Actually, rush.
Rush.
Train bottles ready?
Yep. Okay, this one. Is your drinky one? I'm kidding. Make sure to follow the trajectory of it.
It's a wonderful day here, and we are going to watch this marvelous missile launching. Missile number 2, done.
Yeah, thanks, Todd, for winning me.
Sorry. Blowing hot.
Excellent.
And that is 2.